Are you thinking about changing your career but don't have a college degree? You're not alone. Many people feel stuck in their current jobs, believing that a degree is the only way to move forward. But the truth is, there are plenty of ways to successfully switch careers without going back to school. In this video, we'll explore practical steps, real-life strategies, and inspiring examples to help you make a confident transition. Whether you want a fresh start or a better work-life balance, you'll find actionable advice here. Let's dive into how you can change your career path. No degree required. Before making any big moves, it's important to understand why you want to change careers. Are you looking for more fulfillment, better pay, or a healthier work environment? Take some time to reflect on your motivations. Write down what you like and dislike about your current job. This self-assessment will help you clarify your goals and ensure you're making a change for the right reasons. Knowing your why will also keep you motivated throughout the transition process, especially when challenges arise. You may not have a degree, but you definitely have skills. Many abilities you've developed in your current job can be valuable in a new field. Think about communication, problem solving, teamwork, or technical know-how. Make a list of your strengths and consider how they apply to different industries. Employers often value real-world experience and practical skills just as much as formal education. Recognizing your transferable skills is a key step in building your confidence and your resume. Once you know your motivations and skills, it's time to explore new industries. Start by researching sectors that interest you. Look for fields that are growing and have a demand for workers without degrees, such as technology, sales, skilled trades, or creative industries. Read job descriptions, watch industry videos, and connect with people already working in those areas. The more you learn, the better you'll understand what's required and where you might fit in. Setting clear, achievable goals is crucial for a successful career change. Break down your transition into smaller steps, such as updating your resume, networking, or gaining specific skills. Define what success looks like for you, whether it's landing an interview, getting a certification, or starting an entry-level job in your new field. Having concrete goals will keep you focused and make the process less overwhelming. In today's digital world, you can learn almost anything online. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses in everything from coding to marketing. Many of these courses provide certificates that can boost your resume. Even without a degree, showing that you've taken the initiative to learn new skills demonstrates your commitment and adaptability to potential employers. A strong portfolio can be more persuasive than a degree. If you're moving into a creative or technical field, start building a collection of your work. This could include writing samples, design projects, coding exercises, or even volunteer work. A portfolio showcases your abilities and gives employers tangible proof of what you can do. It's a great way to stand out, especially if you lack formal credentials. Networking is one of the most effective ways to break into a new field. Reach out to friends, family, and professional contacts who might have connections in your target industry. Attend industry events, join online forums, and participate in relevant social media groups. Don't be afraid to ask for informational interviews or advice. Building relationships can open doors to opportunities that aren't advertised publicly. Your resume should highlight your transferable skills and relevant experiences, not just your job titles. Focus on accomplishments that demonstrate your ability to succeed in the new field. Use keywords from job postings and emphasize results, such as projects completed or goals achieved. Even if you don't have a degree, a well-crafted resume can make a strong impression and get you noticed by employers. A cover letter is your chance to tell your story. Explain why you're passionate about the new field and how your background prepares you for the role. Be honest about your lack of a degree, but focus on your skills, experience, and willingness to learn. A personalized, enthusiastic cover letter can help you stand out and make a memorable impression. Sometimes, starting over means taking an entry-level position. Don't be discouraged, these roles can be stepping stones to bigger opportunities. Entry-level jobs allow you to get your foot in the door, learn the ropes, and prove your value. Many successful professionals started at the bottom and worked their way up, so keep an open mind and be willing to start small. Volunteering or interning is a great way to gain experience in a new field. Even if the position is unpaid, it can help you build skills, expand your network, and add relevant experience to your resume. Many organizations are happy to have motivated individuals, regardless of their educational background. These opportunities can sometimes lead to paid positions down the line. Freelancing or starting a side hustle can help you test the waters in a new industry. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or local job boards offer opportunities to take on small projects and build your reputation. This approach lets you earn money, gain experience, and decide if the new field is right for you before making a full commitment. A mentor can provide valuable guidance as you navigate your career change. Look for someone who has experience in your target field and is willing to share their insights. Mentors can help you avoid common mistakes, introduce you to key contacts, and offer encouragement when things get tough. Don't hesitate to reach out. Most people are happy to help someone who's eager to learn. Industry events, conferences, and workshops are excellent places to learn about your new field and meet people who can help you along the way. These gatherings often feature talks by experts, networking sessions, and opportunities to discover the latest trends. Even if you're new to the industry, showing up and engaging with others can make a big difference in your job search. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook groups can be powerful tools for career changers. Follow companies and influencers in your target industry, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions. Share your journey and connect with others who have made similar transitions. Social media can help you stay informed, build your brand, and uncover hidden job opportunities. Interviewing for a new role can be nerve-wracking, especially if you're changing fields. Practice answering common interview questions and be ready to explain your career change. Focus on your skills, experiences, and enthusiasm for the new industry. Mock interviews with friends or mentors can help you gain confidence and improve your performance when it counts. When talking to potential employers, be upfront about your background and your reasons for changing careers. Honesty builds trust and shows that you're self-aware. Emphasize your willingness to learn and your passion for the new field. Most employers appreciate authenticity and are willing to give motivated candidates a chance, even without a degree. Soft skills like communication, adaptability, and problem-solving are highly valued in any industry. Make sure to highlight these qualities in your resume, cover letter, and interviews. Share examples of how you've used these skills in previous roles. Soft skills can often set you apart from other candidates, especially when you lack formal qualifications. Employers love candidates who can solve problems. Think of situations where you identified an issue and took steps to resolve it. These stories are powerful, especially if you can quantify the results. Problem-solving skills are universal and can help you succeed in any new role, regardless of your educational background. Depending on your target industry, you may need to develop specific technical skills. Identify what's required by reviewing job postings and talking to professionals in the field. Use online resources, tutorials, or community college classes to build your expertise. Even basic proficiency in relevant tools or software can make you a more attractive candidate. Certifications can be a great alternative to a degree. Many industries offer certifications that prove your knowledge and skills. Research which ones are respected in your target field and consider investing the time and effort to earn them. Certifications can boost your credibility and help you stand out to employers. Industries change quickly, so it's important to stay current with trends and best practices. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow relevant blogs, and participate in webinars. Staying informed shows employers that you're proactive and serious about your new career. It also helps you identify new opportunities as they arise. Changing careers without a degree can be challenging, and you may face setbacks along the way. Persistence is key. Don't get discouraged by rejection or slow progress. Keep applying, learning, and networking. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal, and perseverance often pays off in the end. Rejection is a normal part of any job search, especially when changing careers. Instead of taking it personally, use it as a learning opportunity. Ask for feedback when possible and use it to improve your approach. Remember, every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Stay positive and keep moving forward. Remote work has opened up new possibilities for career changers. Many companies now hire for remote positions, which can make it easier to break into a new field. Look for remote job boards and consider roles that match your skills and interests. Remote work can also help you balance learning and working as you transition. Apprenticeships offer hands-on training and can be a great way to enter a new industry. Many trades and technical fields offer paid apprenticeships that don't require a degree. You'll earn while you learn and gain valuable experience that can lead to full-time employment. Research opportunities in your area and see if this path is right for you. Many governments offer programs to help people change careers, especially those without degrees. These may include job training, grants, or placement services. Check with your local employment office or government website to see what resources are available. Taking advantage of these programs can make your transition smoother and more affordable. Temporary staffing agencies can help you get your foot in the door in a new industry. Temp jobs often lead to permanent positions and allow you to gain experience quickly. Register with agencies that specialize in your target field and be open to short-term assignments. This approach can help you build your resume and make valuable connections. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business could be the perfect career change. You don't need a degree to launch a successful venture, just a good idea, determination, and a willingness to learn. Research your market, Create a business plan and start small. Many self-made entrepreneurs began without formal education and built thriving businesses from the ground up. Your life experience is valuable, even if it's not from a classroom. Skills gained from parenting, volunteering, or community involvement can be relevant to many jobs. Don't underestimate the power of your unique background. Highlight these experiences in your applications and interviews to show how they've prepared you for your new career. Some companies prioritize skills and experience over formal education. Look for employers known for hiring based on ability and potential. Research company values and hiring practices, and target organizations that are open to non-traditional candidates. These companies are more likely to appreciate your unique strengths and give you a chance to prove yourself. Job boards are a great resource for career changers. Use filters to find positions that don't require a degree and match your skills. Set up alerts for new postings and tailor your applications to each job. Don't limit yourself to one platform, explore niche boards and company websites for more opportunities. Many employers conduct background checks as part of the hiring process. Be prepared to explain any gaps in your employment or changes in your career path. Honesty is important, and being upfront about your journey can help build trust with potential employers. Make sure your references are ready to speak about your skills and character. When you receive a job offer, don't be afraid to negotiate. Research typical salaries for your new role and be prepared to discuss your value. Even if you're starting at an entry level, you can negotiate benefits, flexible hours, or opportunities for advancement. Negotiation shows confidence and can set the tone for your new career. Career changes often require ongoing learning. Stay curious and open to new experiences. Take advantage of training, workshops, and professional development opportunities. Lifelong learning not only helps you adapt to new roles, but also keeps your career moving forward no matter your educational background. Switching careers can impact your finances, especially if you need to start at a lower salary or invest in training. Create a budget and plan for the transition period. Consider part-time work or side gigs to supplement your income. Being financially prepared will reduce stress and help you focus on your new career goals. Changing careers is a big step and may take longer than you expect. Be patient with yourself and realistic about the challenges ahead. Celebrate small wins along the way and remember that progress is progress, no matter how slow. Managing your expectations will help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. A career change can affect your family and loved ones. Talk openly about your plans and involve them in the process. Their support can make a big difference, especially during tough times. Having a strong support system will help you stay focused and confident as you pursue your new path. Keep track of your applications, interviews, and networking efforts. Use a spreadsheet or journal to monitor your progress and identify areas for improvement. Tracking your journey helps you stay organized and motivated, and it's rewarding to see how far you've come over time. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether you land an interview, complete a course, or make a new connection, take time to acknowledge your achievements. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reminds you that your efforts are paying off, even if the ultimate goal is still ahead. Seek out stories of people who have successfully changed careers without a degree. Their journeys can offer inspiration, practical tips, and reassurance that it's possible. Learning from others' experiences can help you avoid common pitfalls and find creative solutions to challenges you may face. Flexibility is essential during a career change. Be open to unexpected opportunities and willing to adjust your plans as needed. Sometimes, the path to your dream job isn't a straight line. Staying flexible allows you to adapt and make the most of every experience along the way. A positive attitude can make all the difference during your career transition. Focus on what you can control and don't dwell on setbacks. Surround yourself with supportive people and remind yourself of your strengths. A positive mindset will help you overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. Changing careers without a degree is absolutely possible. With the right mindset, a clear plan, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your goals. Remember, your unique skills and experiences are valuable. Stay persistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to take bold steps toward the future you want. Your new career is within reach, believe in yourself, and go for it.